my name is Jason, and we're going to try out the OmniShaver today. Got about 3 days worth of growth there, and I've used it once before just to try it out, and it worked amazing. So today we're going to see if we can beat the timer with the OmniShaver. And I want to thank John for sending me the OmniShaver for us to try out. And we're going to see how it goes. It's got multi-blade cartridges, and each of them is facing the opposite direction. So the trick is that by going back and forth with the shaver, you're cutting in both directions. So let's see how we do. All right. Okay. Smooth as can be, literally in both directions. Usually when I shave one direction, going back with the hand the other way, you can really feel it. This is completely smooth, completely shaved. So there you go. The OmniShaver challenge.